Model DGS350 Liquid BFS Auto Foam Filling Machine. Model DGS350 Liquid BFS Auto Foam Filling Machine is applicable for liquid, sticky, semi-sticky, and so on. This machine can be used for pharmaceuticals, food, healthcare products, cosmetic. It also can be used in industry and agriculture in similarity products. It was called BFS Machine International. The machine can finish the foaming, filling, sealing one time. It is as small as filling pipeline. It can add units of filling, examining, adjusting position, filling air, zinc cutting, spraying number, and so on. This machine is the multifunctional machine of integrating machinery, electric, gas, and water. The main process of machine is spreading materials, clamping PVC, sealing, preforming, foaming, cutting, guiding, crosswise manipulation convey, calculate filling, longitudinal manipulation convey, heating, pre-sealing of the end sealing, printing batch number, end cutting, divide cutting, turnover, small conveyor, big conveyor processings. The system of making bottles, calculating, filling, sealing to come up the finished product all in same machine. In the traditional pipeline, we must have cleaning, sterilizing, drying, carrying, filling, and putting liquid processing. This machine can solve all problems. It has small area and few operators, reduce the cost. First, spreading material unit. It is supplying the PVC to the foaming mold. It is made up of 8 fixing rods, 2 wiggling rods, and 2 spreading rods. 2 wiggling rods wiggle around each center. In the area of wiggling rod have higher and lower plates. In each place there is a sense switch. When the wiggling rod moves to higher place, the spreading rod motor receives the signal. Spreading spindle starts to supply the PVC continuously. When the PVC comes to the end, the approaching switch for examining the PVC and giving the alert. The operator will deal with it in time. It doesn't affect the running of the machine. Second, clamping PVC unit. It is made up of giving cam, roll cam, swing arm, turning arm, fixing tools, and the driving of the giving cam. The 2 mobile wedges on the up plates move to and from on horizontal line. At the same time, the 2 mobile wedges on the lower plates move to and from in the peak line. The PVC moves during the action of the mobile wedge to under the assistance of the air control system. The 2 fixing wedge tools and 4 mobile wedge tools are tightened and descent when by turns. The PVC can move in this way. Third, foaming unit. The PVC comes into the 3 foaming mode by the traction of the clamping. On the top of it is the heat sealing mode. In the middle is pre-foaming mode. There have resealing and flaring in the face of 2 modes. It can avoid the PVC at heating the mold. There is a heating board in the back of each mold. Heating units are in the middle of heating board. The temperature of heating unit can be adjusted automatically under temperature apparatus. On the bottom is foaming mode. There is cooling board in the back, used to fix the foaming blister. The position of 3 modes can move in a peak line along the machine. The PVC from the champing to foaming mode. Through heating, the material becomes soft. It was glued the same shape with the mold but air pressure. The shape and the quality can be changed according to the customers. It can use many sets of mold in the same machine. They pack many kinds of products. One machine can use many times improve the using rate. Fourth, cutting unit. Cutting unit is used to cut PVC which have formed into the single piece as designed. Before it, the PVC is one board. After cutting it, changed into the single piece fold down, the receiving groove, supplying for the after processing. Fifth, guiding unit and conveying unit. The single piece is moved by crosswise manipulation to the guiding unit from the receiving groove. The guiding unit is made up of free and back guiding screw and guiding pawl. It limits and guides the moving direction of the piece. It is the guiding arbit and the supporting of the piece. Conveying unit is made up of a turning frame, long spindle, and a material claw. During the operation, long spindle moves to and fro in the horizontal line. The 10 material claws, which is fixed in the long spindle, carry the piece to the next process. The action of material claw controlled by air control system, which is finished under the command of the computer. 6. Filling system. The piece board moves to the filling system. Filling system is used to put liquid into the bottle precisely. When the board was carried to the filling process, the calculated injection worked at the same time. The liquid was injected to the bottle through the injection. When find one or more than one bottle have errors, the machine can adjust the capacity through the inching switch. It can make every bottle have the same liquid. The filling system used the peristalsis pump for filling. The liquid was calculated and conveyed in the pipeline. Inject the bottle directly. Reduce the contact with outside. Solve the toss pollution in mechanism pump. When we change the large capacity or change the filling materials, the methane system do not change. Just change the tubes. It held the filling precisely and convenient to adjust. There is exam unit ahead of the filling system. It can examine the existing boards and control the filling system whether work or not. So don't worry about the waste of the liquid and make damage to the machine. 7. Longitudinal manipulation. It is used to move the board that is finished filling from front orbit to back orbit. 8. Heating unit. The board which is moved to the back orbit was carried to the heating unit. The heating cell of this unit is 2 flat of heating resistance. Then solve the bottom of the balls, make a good basis of the sealing. 9th, end sealing unit. The balls which have been softened was carried to the end sealing unit. This process can seal the piece fastness which has softened by sealing. The bottom has obturated. Each bottle has been separated. The liquid cannot leak. The air outside cannot in. Hereby, the liquid can keep air-proof. In order to get a better effection, with a 2-end sealing unit, sealing trials time. 10th, printing batch number unit. The board which bottom has softened curly was carried to printing batch number unit. It is cooling and forming by this unit. The bottom has smooth. The airproof is better than before, and the batch number have been tapped clearly. 11th, end cutting unit. The edge of the board which has end sealed is not irregular. It is taken to the end cutting unit. The mode of the end cutting cut the edge in the sizes. These are designed beforehand. Add beauty. The waste material was glued to wasting box. 12th, divide cutting unit. The board that has end cutting was carried to the divide cutting unit. Many bottles are in the same piece. It is not convenient for using. After divided cutting, it is only have a little PVC regulation just steering when you use. After divide cutting, the board was carried to the small conveyor by the turnover unit. The small conveyor transported to the big conveyor. Big conveyors work continually. It conveys the product to the box outside the machine. At this time, the machine has finished all the processes. Main specifications. First, packing material. PVC, PE. Thickness 0.3 to 0.4 mm. Width 280 to 345 mm. Outer diameter less than and equal to 400 mm. Inner diameter 70 mm to 76 mm. Second, capacity 2 to 50 milliliters. Third, packing speed less than and equal to 20 plates per minute. Fourth, air consumption 110 liters per minute. Fifth, water consumption 6 liters per minute. Sixth, installed power 12 kilowatts. Seventh, electrical source 3-phase fan lines, alternative current 380 watts, 50 Hz. Eighth, outer size, length 3,570 mm, width 17,808 mm, height 1,850 mm. Ninth, weight 3,400 kg.